Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can download and install Like a Dragon Infinite Wealth game on your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. First open up the new tab and here you can search for the Steam and open up this first website of the Steam, and here now you can just sign up to this website or create account on this website. After you create an account, here you need to just click on this install Steam option you are seeing on the top. So now you will redirect to the new page where you can just click on the install Steam, and now it will give you the option to install this setup into your PC. So here you can just click on the save, and then it will start installing this setup into your PC. So I have already installed, so I'm just opening it, and then click on the yes to save the privileges, and then click on the next, and then you can just again click on the next. Here you can just select your language, and here you can choose the destination where you want to install, and then just simply click on the install to install the Steam into your PC. So I have already installed, I can just canceling it. After that, now you have to open up the Steam, and here you can go to the featured, the main menu of this store Steam, and now here just click on the search box and just type the game, which is the Like a Dragon Infinite Wealth. So when you type it, you will see the game on the first number, which is the Like a Dragon. Just click on it, and here you will see this game may contain content not appropriate for all ages. So you can just simply check this, and you need to enter your date of birth. So I'm just selecting any randomly and click on the view page. So after that, it will redirect to the new page where you can download and install this game. Scroll down and you will see these two options like add up to cart. Just click on the add to cart and then click on the view my cart. So after that, it will be redirecting to the new page where you can just click on the continue to payment, and then you can pay with your card. So after your payment, it will start downloading and installing into your PC. So after the download was complete, now you can enjoy this game. So guys, this is how you can download and install the Like a Dragon game into your PC. So if this video is helpful for you, so please like it. Also subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.